Hello children, good morning. So children, as we have discussed chapter sentences in our previous classes and we have discussed different types of sentences. I hope you all have understood that. Now today we are going to learn how to change sentence from one form to another form. Okay, let's see. The first thing we are going to see is to change declarative sentence into interrogative sentence. Okay, let's move to the examples. So children, these are some declarative sentence. The first sentence is, it is raining, we are hungry, I am going home. So children, there are few steps to change any sentence into another type. Like if we have to change it into interrogative sentence, what is the first step? The first step is to find out the helping verb. Is there any helping verb or being verb here? If you see the first sentence, it is raining, you will notice that is the being verb. Similarly, you have to find out another sentence also. What is the being verb here? We are hungry. Are, I am going home, am. Okay? So, these are the being verbs. Now, what is the second step? Let's see. The second step is that we have to move the being verb. Being verb हम लोग ने identify कर लिया. Now what is the second step? Move the being verb to the front. Front में we'll write the being verb is. We have written is. Now write the remaining sentence. अब जितना बचा हुआ sentence है, write it after the being verb and put a question mark after the end. Okay? Like in the second sentence we have seen, we are hungry. What is the helping verb here? Being verb here are. तो are को हमने सबसे पहले लिख दिया. Are we hungry? I am going home. Am I going home? Okay. Let's see some more examples. Okay, here the teachers have treated us kindly. So can you tell me what is the helping verb in the first sentence? The teachers have treated us kindly. Have. In the second, they had already eaten. Had. And in the third, she will win the fight. Will. So if I ask you how to change the last sentence into interrogative, what will you do? You have find out the helping verb here. Now write the helping verb in the front. Will. And next step is to write the remaining sentence after it. Will she win the fight? इस तरह से. Okay? See, helping verbs. The next step is to move the helping verb to the front and write the remaining sentence. Let's see next. The next is how to change interrogative sentences into declarative. The first question is Sam's dog shivering? Is Sam's dog shivering? Helping verb क्या है? Is. अब इसको क्या कर देंगे? Sam's dog is shivering. Sam's dog is shivering. Okay? Are we going to the football? Identify the helping verb. We are going to the football. Will you be on the train tomorrow? Identify the helping verb. Then write the sentence. You will be. First you have to write the subject. You. Then helping verb. Simple आप जैसे sentence बनाते हैं. First you have to find out the subject. You. Then you will write the helping verb. You will be on the train tomorrow. In the fourth question, let's see. Is Sam the first person in line? So first you find out the subject. Subject क्या है? Sam. तो Sam को आप सबसे पहले लिख देंगे. Sam. Now identify the helping verb is. Sam is, then the remaining sentence. Sam is the first person in line. Okay. Similarly, in question 5th, was the stranger calling from the clinic? Who is calling from the clinic? Question is, who is calling from the clinic? Stranger calling कर रहा है ना. The subject is stranger. First you write the subject, the stranger. Then you will write the helping verb. Was. The stranger was calling from the clinic. Okay? Let's see. Is Sam's dog shivering? The answer is Sam's dog is shivering. Are we going to the football game? We are going to the football game. Will you be on the train tomorrow? You will be on the train tomorrow. Is Sam the first person in line? Sam is the first person in line. Was the stranger calling from the clinic? The stranger was calling from the clinic. Does Mr. Amjad think that I will be waiting for him at the airport? Children, in this sentence you will see here the helping verb is does. Does कब आता है? For present tense. Present tense, we all know that for present tense we have been we used s or es for any kind of verb. We use s or es have to make it present. And for past, what we add in the verb, we have added second form of the verb, like d. We have added d or ed in the verb. So here does is used. It means जो think, when you write it in the question form, in a declarative form, you will write the subject first. Mr. Amjad think ka, it will become thinks. Because it is in present tense, तो thinks हो जाएगा. Mr. Amjad thinks that I will be waiting for him at the airport. Mr. Amjad thinks that I will be waiting for him at the airport. That's all, children. I hope you all have understood the topic. Thank you.